Yes guys, we're back again. Today is the 1st of July 2021. Happy new month all my viewers. If you're just viewing me for the first time, I say happy new month. If you are my loyal viewer who has always come back to watch my video, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are gonna have the best month of your life, trust me. If you believe, let me hear you say yeah in the comment if you believe that. Okay, so we are back with this series testing the Heikin Ashi trading strategy on the 5-minute chart on 18 pairs using 2 moving average exponential moving average EMA 30 and EMA 10. The blue is the 10, 30 is the yellow. Okay, the rules are quite simple. All right, the rules are quite simple. We are looking for a cross and we are looking for the first candle after the cross, first candle just after the cross without the upper or lower for a buy, a green candle after the cross without the lower wicks, which is this one. All right, the blue candle without the lower wicks. This is what we call the wicks. If you don't know that already, wicks or shadows, anyone you call them. So we are looking for a cross like here, and this is a candle without any lower wicks, just full body candle. The wicks are on top, that does not matter. But for a buy, you don't want the wicks under. For a sell, you don't want the wicks on top. Okay, so this would have been our first trade since we got this candle confirmation here. This would have been our first trade, targeting a 1 to 1.5. all right, so if we targeted a 1 to 1.5, that trade went as far as a 3. okay, so we won that one outrightly. All right, for a sell, it's just vice versa of the first process. We are looking for the cross, which we had here. We had this candle that crossed with it, this candle crossed with it without a top wick or top shadow, so we would have entered our trade on this candle. And if we did that also, yes, if we did that, we would have been in a winning trade already. All right, let's see that for ourselves. As you can see, we would have won that already. It went as far as a 2 if I'm not wrong. Okay, no, it's not up to a 2 already, but it's already 1.9 and we just need a 1.5. okay, a 1 to 1.5 because we target a 1 to 1.5 win reward. All right, yes, me and my friend, we've been discussing about starting an $100 series after this one. Okay, so this one I plan to take it to 100k. We are currently at about $31,950 on this challenge, and based on the $100 challenge, I plan on doing that live, so you guys trade alongside me from 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. if possible. If I can reach 9 a.m. to maybe around 8 or 7, we'll see the way it goes. But for now, let's just focus on this and give you the win rate. All right, so if you're interested to see that series starting up and following my trade as I take them, please let me know in the comment. Let me share your like. Let me know if you are positive about it, and we'll do that. So yes, we are just going to go through all 18 pairs for this one and give you the result for today, which is Thursday, the 1st of July 2021. This video is going to be relevant going forward, so make sure you watch to the very end. Stay blessed. Yes fams, we back again. All right, now we have the results. The results are in, and not doing bad at the meantime, but we gotta do better. We gotta do better. Yes guys, so far so good. We had a win rate. So now let me leave the win rate to the end. We were able to take 37 trade, not 51 like yesterday. Remember, what balance is at $31,950. yes, on this series. So we were able to take 37 trades today. We won 19 and lost 18. okay, it was a draw today. We won 3 in a row and lost 3 in a row, which took us into an extra profit of 1,050. all right, so if you add that to our account, we are at 23, if I'm not wrong, 23k dollars. yes, if we are not wrong at all. So we do 31,950 plus the added one which we had today, which was 1,000. all right, 50. okay, so that would have taken us to 33,000 on that dot. okay, 33,000k. so we'll keep going Let's see if we can get to 50 or 100k, then we'll start a new series based on $100, and let's see if we can grow a small account with this strategy. Okay, so we're going to be doing that going forward, so make sure you stick around, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on that series. Yes, today was not a smooth day just like yesterday. This week, as you know, this is a new month, so you expect that, you expect shaky market, but still it's still trying to keep up. So let's see what happens tomorrow. I'll see you on the next one. Please let me know about the audio in this video. I really appreciate your feedback, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.